Hello, Chef here. So it's after lunch, mid-afternoon. I'm craving a healthy snack. Oh yeah, I reach for these superfood bars. Why? Because they're just simply loaded with good stuff. First ingredient, organic tapioca. I like it. Cashew butter. Grass-fed bone broth protein. That's the real deal right there. Check out how much protein is in each one of these bars right there. Wow! This is the good stuff. Made in USA, no GMO, gluten-free, cold processed, excellent source of protein, no added seed oils. That's the thing you got to look out for in the grocery store these days, all the crap they're selling. This is the good stuff right here, loaded with nutrients, superfood, no additives, no sugar, non-GMO, grass-fed bone broth. Wow! Let's see what's in the box. Oh, individually packed superfood bars. Great packaging, airtight, keeps it fresh. These are shelf stable. They're shelf stable for like, I don't know, a couple of months at least. Perfect for backpacking. Oh yeah. Let's see what's inside. There we go. Nothing but a pure superfood energy snack. And I want to show you exactly what the texture and the whole thing's all about. I really like these. Let's give it a little cut on a bias like this so you can see exactly what's inside this baby here. Yeah, looking really good. I believe those are pumpkin seeds. All the ingredients are clearly listed on the back of each package. And like I said, it's made in USA and gluten-free, non-GMO. Yeah. Here we go. Let's give it a little taste. Oh, so good. Wow. So if you want to try these, click the link below. There's a free shipping and a bonus offer. They're always having sales. It's the good stuff. I order these a case at a time. Different flavors. Perfect for an afternoon snack, backpacking, school lunches, whatever you got to do. This is basically protein on the go. Superfood. Yeah, I like it. You will too. Subscribe here. Hit that link for the bonus offer and the free shipping. Oh yeah. It's really, really good, healthy superfood bar. The protein powders, bone broth powders, and other supplements are amazing. Get on it. My persimmons rose. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons. And dragon fruit. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, the finished beef chuck roast there, looking really good. A little bit of parsley as a garnish. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Check out the awesome healthy recipes. Live longer and get the best products the first time. Yeah, support small business, get cooking, and have a wonderful day. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Please share it as well. It's gonna be good. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not? Buy the best quality products the first time. talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA, the best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links. and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Professional cutting board, chopping block, butcher block, custom sizes, and styles, all made in the USA. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons. And dragon fruit. Oh, it's gonna be good.